Can your end users follow your guides without getting stuck? Or do they get lost and make mistakes when they follow your procedures? Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps. When you create job aids, digital guides, and other documentation for your business, the goal is to help people do different jobs correctly and independently without needing to ask supervisors for help. But if your guides can't do that, and you're not sure why, or you're just getting started, I'm going to share 3 principles that will be your guiding star to increase reliability and usage of your digital guides. First, are your guides findable? Can end users quickly find the right guide? With this principle, you're examining the title of your digital guide as well as the scope of the article. For titles, you want to include language that your end users will use when they search for the article. Avoid using corporate jargon or terms that are too generic. For the scope, try to keep each digital guide focused on answering one question or doing one job. This means that you might need to break larger guides into smaller articles for easier use. Second, are your guides followable? When end users pull up your guides, can they follow them without making mistakes or getting stuck? You make your guides easy to follow by how you structure them. Create a clear path from the beginning to the end of a procedure. You don't want people to start reading your document and then jump to page 11 for further instructions, and then back up to page 2 for the next step. That's dizzying and end users get lost doing it. If necessary, use decision trees and workflows for those complex procedures and step-by-step instructions. And lastly, are your guides scannable? This principle focuses on formatting your digital guide so that your end users can skim through them and understand what they need to do. You make your guides more scannable by using design elements to draw your readers' eyes to the most important information. Those elements could include screenshots, checklists, bulleted or numbered lists, styled text blocks, collapsible sections, clear headings, highlights, links, and more. Also, make your writing actionable. Start with verbs that tell the reader to do something, and also be concise in your directions and get to the point. There you have it. If you focus on making your digital guides findable, followable, and scannable, then you'll see fewer mistakes, fewer questions, and increased guide usage. And it's all because you will be putting your end users first while you create your guides. Want more on the 3 principles of creating impactful digital guides? Watch the webinar on how to make over your digital guides using these 3 principles.